Yo, Market Subscriber here. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Really appreciate it to all the new subscribers that joined this channel for the great content that I push out and the dynamic, unique content that, okay, maybe it's just an Amazon gift card. Probably the Amazon gift card. But that's all right. So that puts me to one point about, if you want to get something, you have to give something. You have this, give and take, give and receive. And so one way to give and receive, for example, YouTube subscribers is to create good content. I want to continue to create content that you guys would like to watch, keep on improving the quality of my video and audio, and learn more about video editing and to make these videos interesting, unique, capturing. But the other way is to give money. You can always give money and you receive something. So that's another way to gain subscribers, is to give Amazon gift cards. So definitely I want to plan future giveaways for other milestones that this channel makes. So stay tuned for more giveaways in the future. Okay, but now we have a giveaway to announce the winner for. And in addition, the one other thing that I'll do later on is I actually won something from Lady Bullion's channel, and we'll do a quick unboxing of that after we announce the winner of the giveaway. So if we go over here, we'll see the Amazon gift card giveaway video. And so all the comments here that we have from right now, and this is Sunday, will get included in this giveaway. So I'm going to go to, first I'm going to copy the URL here since I need this URL. And then we're going to go to commentpicker.com. We're going to put the video URL right here. And we're going to get YouTube comments. So we had 173 unique comments. Thank you for each and every one of those comments. That is amazing. That's the most unique comments I've probably got in any video. Amazon gift card. Okay, now let's find out who won this gift card. All right, so we're gonna start raffle and pick a random winner. Are you guys ready? Can I hear a drum roll? Okay, we're gonna start here. And remember, for when I hit other milestones in this channel, I look forward to having other giveaways like this. And if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know if you guys want more giveaways like this. And I look forward to that. So in the comments below, let me know what you'd want to see for a giveaway, the same kind of giveaway for those milestones, or in addition, let me know of any content that you want to see in the future. Okay, now let's, it's like the ads, refresh on this page. Let's start this. All right, and the winner is Tech Unboxing Videos. Yo, that's really cool. This guy, he makes these really cool tech unboxing videos. Definitely check out his channel. And he comments on a lot of my videos, so he's a really supportive guy. And that's amazing that you won this. I'm super excited for you, man. That's really cool he won. Definitely check out his content. He makes some really cool and exciting videos. He really gets super excited when he does these tech unboxing, and I really enjoy his videos, so check that out. Okay, so all right, back over here. And in the future, more giveaways to come, more content. And if you watched my last video, actually, it was about CVS stock. And that stock actually had this interesting chart. I might show that over here in this little screenshot here, that we had a line of resistance. And I was gonna buy more shares, and I was able to buy a few more shares, but it just went on a tear since my video. It went up almost 5%. I think it was like 4.5%. Went from 72 something to $76 per share, and that was within 5 trading days. I think on the 5th trading day it went like down a few cents or something. It's interesting to see how these charts play out, and I'm really looking forward to maybe showing when I do analyze a stock, maybe weeks out or months out, see how that stock did, for better or for worse, to see if it followed that chart pattern that I was looking at, or if it broke through it, and why that might be. And because whenever you look at a trend line or a chart, we're talking about probabilities here. It's whether it's going to be a 60% chance likelihood that it will, go in your favor, or a 80% likelihood, just by historical trends of that kind of pattern. Nothing is guaranteed or for sure in this world. Next thing let's open this I got from Lady Bullion. Thank you so much, Lady Bullion. Check out her channel. It's really cool. And about giving and receiving, I've definitely been really fortunate in the YouTube community to have won a few different prizes. I won a prize from Milone Money Mindset's 100 sub giveaway. Check out the unboxing that I did for that giveaway if you want to check out what I got from that. And also make sure to check out Milone Money Mindset's channel in the description below. He has a really cool channel. Another giveaway that I won from Lady Bullion's channel. Check out the video there if you're interested in what I won there. Okay, let's open up this and see what's inside. All right, I'm really bad at this. So you gotta check out tech unboxing videos to see someone who's actually pretty good at doing unboxing, because unboxing is really an art. I mean, this is just ridiculous what I'm doing here. I don't even know what I'm doing. But let's check this out. Lady Bullion. Oh, that's pretty cool. My kids really like her stickers. They're really pretty. I have one other sticker that's just, you know, somewhere in the house on something. Let's see what this is. So, I'm gonna have a little trouble with opening this. There's some tape on here. What am I gonna do? That's why I got some heavy duty scissors here, just in case, because I didn't open this. I'm not sure what to expect of the packaging. Let's see if that will do the trick. Okay. Whoa, this is really cool. So what this is here, it is a copper round, I believe. Nice. Awesome. Has my name. Market Scraper. Nice. Let's check this out. This is really cool. She actually made this. This is her coin. Isn't that really pretty? That's a really cool design that she made, Lady Bullion. That is pretty cool. 2020. Thank you so much, Lady Bullion. That is awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had a blast with this giveaway. I'm really looking forward to all the new content I'll be creating and the new feedback from the new subscribers that I've gotten. I really look forward to hearing you guys' opinions and comments in the description below to see what kind of content you would want to see. And I'll be putting out a variety of different kind of video types. And so definitely let me know what kind of content you would like to see. And if what resonates with you and jives with you, and what you like to see that I'm doing, and what you want to just see less of. You know, it's like, oh, why are you talking about CVS? Talk more about Tesla, or why are you talking about these individual stocks? You should be talking about more just, I want to learn more about the basics of investing, like how do I pick a brokerage, which ones is the best right now, or something more general just of getting started with investing. Or if you have any other ideas that's kind of pivoting to something else, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I think my alarm went off in the background. I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna try to reduce the noise from this, and hopefully my microphone doesn't pick up all of this. Yeah, gosh, sorry about that. Can only do so much, right? Man, these are so cool. They're so cool. These are so cool, man. These are so cool. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, you guys, I mean, I'm just hanging out, having fun here, you guys. You guys, you know, comment down below. Just have fun today. And enjoy the long weekend, you guys. It's MLK weekend. So I hope you guys are having fun. Stay safe.